Do you guys just go and sit down and hit that live button and then, everything goes wrong? Let's talk about that, and I'll show you something and give you guys something that won't let you do that anymore. All right, let's get started. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle, but I go by I am Triple G online. I am your stream sensei. I teach you guys kind of how to do cool things on your stream and kind of make you guys better streamers. Kind of like a stream coach, but less aggressive. In today's video, we're gonna go over doing a pre-stream checklist. And what I mean by that is you want to do a bunch of things before you hit that live button. I have gone out of my way to set up and make my own checklist for you guys, so I'm really excited to share. It should be right here. The link for that will be below in the description, and if you want any questions or any comments, please let me know. If you want to join the Discord where this thing was developed by the community, go ahead, the link is below. Okay, into the video. Step 1, clean your space. Especially if it's on camera. No one likes to see a dirty ass space, guys. Cleaning is a big deal because you want your space to be a good creative space. I have a dirty space. It makes me a little bit meh, and I don't want to stream anymore. So number 1. Number 2 is pretty simple. Turn on your streaming software. It could be OBS, it could be your consoles, it could be streaming from your phone. Get them ready. Turn on your sound. Check for updates. Right. Set up all the software that you need. Make sure that your overlays are working. Make sure that your sound and your webcam and your mixer are all working and updated. Number 3 is update your stream title, your tags, your category, and your going live message. I have done this multiple times where I started my stream and I forgot that I'm playing Among Us, and my category says I'm playing Super Mario Sunshine. I've done that multiple times. I've seen streamers do that multiple times. Number 4, eat something and use the washroom. You want to go to the bathroom? I just pooped. Because, 5 minutes after you start streaming, you have to go get something to eat or use the washroom. Just doesn't seem like a good thing to do. So force yourself if you have to. Number 5, grab some snacks. Oh, hell yeah. Pizza. Oh, G Fuel. You're gonna need water. At the beginning of me streaming, I used to eat ketchup chips all the time. Nothing wrong with that. Number 6, get your social media announcements ready to roll. If you use social media to say that you're going live, get them ready 15 minutes before you.
This is editing Kyle right now. What I mean by social media is if you post on Twitter, if you post on Instagram, if you post on your Snapchat or even your TikTok and Discords, have your message ready to go as soon as you hit that live button. Cool.
Have fun with it. Make a story. Do weird things to get people to come to you. Number 7 is something that I still am working on, and it's actually helping me out quite a bit. It's have your stream plan ready. You're probably like, what the hell's a stream plan? I just want to go and play video games, talk with people. If you take what you do on stream and you minimalize it and push it onto your YouTube, it actually helps you out categorize and edit your VODs a little bit easier as well. Number 8 is mute your microphone, turn on your starting soon screen, play some music, and hit going live. I know that's a lot in one step, but you're gonna thank me for that one, especially for the microphone. Number 9, send out all your going live announcements. That means everything that you set up for your Discord, your Twitter, and Instagram, and TikTok, shoot them out. Get them all going. What's gonna happen is it's gonna drive some traction to your stream, and you'll end up getting some viewers. You never know if that is gonna be the way to get somebody or not, so might as well do it. Number 10 is the most important one. All right, by far the most important one. Quick, I need a drink. Number 10 is the most important thing. It is have fun. You're streaming. You're playing video games that you love. You're doing something that you love. You're learning. You want to have fun, interact with your community, interact with your viewers. Easiest rule on this pre-stream checklist is to have fun. Oh, and don't forget to unmute your microphone. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure you leave a comment and give a massive thumbs up. Hit that thumb, and make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. My name is I Am Triple G, and you can check me out every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday on Twitch. The link will be below. I'll see you guys next time. Stream sweet, stream awesome. Ciao.